Yo, what is going on YouTube? Crypto Chemist back again with another video for you guys, and today we are looking at the kings of all swapping, the Kingswap themselves, a fully decentralized finance protocol for automated liquidity provision on Ethereum, NFT trade swap, buy and sell, off-ramp fiat to cryptocurrency conversions, and all of those goodies in one place. Their NFT collectibles is the most important thing to look at. Why is that, boys and girls? Because they've got the king tier, they've got the queen tier, they've got the knight tier, they've also got the king werewolf, they've got the queen vamps, and they've got the knight mummy. What these different packages actually have is the high rewards, the medium rewards, to basic rewards, and the limited edition lineup right here. The best one that you can get into is the King Werewolf for 12 Ethereum. It is super simple to get into. All you have to do is click purchase. And before we get there, let me show you guys why you would do this in the first place. What is Kingswap token? Let's click on this video and quickly see what these guys are talking about.
Hey, it's great you're interested in Kingswap. You're probably already familiar with the basics of blockchain, decentralized finance, and might even have a few tokens staked in an exchange. If you're a complete newbie, don't worry. This video will be helpful for you too. We'll take you through a brief overview of the current DEX landscape, the current risks and shortfalls, and how we at Kingswap have added game-changing features to tackle these issues. So, what's Kingswap? Kingswap is the latest DeFi liquidity pool platform that is an improvement over and an evolution of Uniswap. What's DeFi and DEX? Decentralized Finance, DeFi, has taken cryptocurrency a step further into making every financial service universally accessible to anyone in the world. Within the DeFi movement, DEXs have emerged to allow you to seamlessly trade popular tokens directly from your wallet. Popular exchange platforms are Uniswap and SushiSwap. Why do we need another DEX? The core protocols have been excellent, but because the DEX ecosystem is still in its infancy, design flaws and scam projects are rampant in the emerging world of DeFi. We know that you deserve a whole lot more, so we've taken the core designs from Uniswap and SushiSwap that have worked so well while value adding through design, credibility, and efficiency. What are the features Kingswap have that other DEXs don't? Kingswap, a legal entity. Unlike other DeFi projects, Kingswap is a legal entity. You'll enjoy the benefits of a decentralized exchange while keeping the project that issues your hard-earned king accountable. Convert your tokens to fiat currencies in usage. With our integrated OTC portal, our all-in-one platform offers off-ramp fiat conversions with debit cards on both Visa and UnionPay networks to easily switch your king to fiat currencies. User-friendly interface. At the basic interface level, Kingswap has a beginner-friendly interface that's easy to use. While the interface is similar to SushiSwap and Uniswap, our interface is quick and secure. 10,000 King rewards lower transaction fees. By using Kingswap, you're entitled to multiple rewards, such as 10,000 King rewards per block awarded to early adopters and liquidity providers. You also get lower transaction fees at 0.25%. So, how does Kingswap work? King are designed as rewards for a high-yield staking LP token model, also known as earning tributes. These tokens are given as rewards for liquidity mining. Your king then allows you to participate in the ecosystem and unlock other perks and benefits. You can use these tokens to purchase goods and services or exchange them for other currencies from LPs. Distribution. Once you stake Uniswap or SushiSwap LPs into Kingswap liquidity pools, you will start earning tokens and rewards. The king per block allocated will be distributed equally among the LPs of the supported pool. King will also be distributed at LP tribute farming. NFTs. Early adopters and supporters can purchase Kingswap NFTs very soon. The three tiers are King, Queen, and Knight NFTs, and will go at 10 ETH, 2 ETH, and 0.2 ETH respectively. They will act as exclusive entries into the reward pools of King. in addition to unlocking a host of rewards and privileges that will be revealed in due time. What if I already have tokens in Uniswap or SushiSwap? Kingswap, being a fork of Uniswap, will migrate all the liquidity tokens staked onto Kingswap contracts once we reach 100,000 blocks. During the migration, your King will be redeemed on Uniswap and new liquidity pools will be created on Kingswap from those tokens. The new pools will be similar to the redeemed ones, with additional tributes distributed to King holders. Once you have successfully completed this migration, your converted tokens will fuel the first sets of Kingswap liquidity pools, and you, as an LP, can sit back as you watch your rewards stream in. Are you ready to join us and rule? Sales start in October 2020. Check out our website www.kingswap.io for more information, or contact us at hello@kingswap.io. You'll find information on how to join us and links to our Discord, Telegram group, and more.
Their community is also amazing, and of course they've got Facebook, they've got Telegram, and they've got Discord. It is crazy, it is lit. Their press has put them all over Yahoo Finance, Medium, Reddit, Bloomberg. And as you guys know, if you guys were up to date with the shit show that went on with Robinhood this past week, everyone is into crypto now. So this is the perfect time to look at a project like Kingswap. Now, the Kingswap DeFi exchange, man, it is crazy, it is lit, and it looks amazing. One thing that you guys want to look at when you get onto this platform is the fact that it looks pretty similar to Uniswap or SushiSwap or LinkSwap or all the other swaps. So it means that it is legit and it is super easy to use. So as you guys can see, you can literally put in one Ethereum and select the token that you want. You can go down to King, and I think King is their native token. There it is. One will get you almost 5,000 Kingswap tokens. This is amazing. This is lit. Now back to Kingswap, you got the Kingswap shop. This is crazy. So this is where Bitcoin is at the all-time high rate. Now you get the Kingswap shop, and this is where you get to learn about BTC investments. What is Kingswap? The packages that they have. Well, it is the newest DeFi liquidity pool platform that is an improvement over and an evaluation of Uniswap. And in addition, offering the off-ramp fiat currency converting solutions, Kingswap has added so many new blockchain community-oriented features to Uniswap's core design, which will help provide user-friendly real-time benefits in terms of price curves and contributor rewards. Alright boys, they've got the different sorts of packages right here. They've got the Noble Squire, they've got the Valiant Knight, they've got the Dazzling Queen, and they've got the Executive King. So the prices are obviously just laid out for you guys right there. And the different basic tier packages, you can see what it is for. So if you're a beginner who wants to start with an affordable package, those who purchase this package with the $100 will be able to earn 1% returns monthly from the amount they put in. And this package will allow users to put in a small amount to try investing in Kingswap. Now, this is going to be a great way for you guys to dip your feet into cryptocurrency and find out what you can do and how you can up that to the next level packages and so on and so forth. So this is really cool to actually have that available for you. Now, here is the earning points for the different packages. So if you up your little $100 to $500, put an extra 4 bills on top of that, you are going from 1% to 2%, and you can earn 1% in Bitcoins and 1% in King tokens. If you move that up to 2,000 USD, you are looking at 3% per month, and that is 1.5% in Bitcoins and then 1.5% in King tokens. And if you really want to up that and take it to that big level, the big boy level, you'll go for the 10K package, man, and that is 5% monthly return with 2.5% in Bitcoins and 2.5% in King tokens. So that is lit, that is crazy, that is fun. And more things that you can find on their site is that they are listed on CoinMarketCap, and CoinMarketCap, obviously one of the biggest platforms. And guys, just look at that 30x, that is crazy. They were literally down here January 4th, and there's a couple of big YouTubers talking about these guys. If you noticed and you looked in the market, there's a couple of huge YouTubers that have been covering these guys, and I think that explains this jump right up here. And it makes a lot of sense why these guys would be doing such great numbers when they've got such big names talking about them. So Huge shout out to Kingswap. If you guys want more information, you can find it all on their website. If you cannot find something, definitely get in touch with these guys. Their partners are crazy and the list is just never ending. If you guys want to get in touch with them, they have a Twitter account, they have Telegram, they have Discord, they have all of the goodies. And on their Twitter, let's just check out what these guys are talking about so we can find out more information. Going on their Twitter, of course, talking about the newest DeFi liquidity pool platform that is further and better evolution of Uniswap. And the first thing you have on there is that earlier this month, Kingswap achieved $4 million in transaction volume in its first 3 days on Uniswap. Now, Kingswap's DEX features are available directly through their website. More information can be found on their Twitter. So if you guys want to stay up to date and keep in touch with all the information that comes out on their platform, definitely subscribe to their Twitter channel or follow their Twitter channel and actually keep in touch with what is going on. They've had the Visa debit card that offers no annual fees or foreign transaction fees with rewards up to 3% back on all deposits. And there's just so much more goodies happening on their channel. And look at this Hotbit AMA with Kingswap. The founders, the CMOs, the directors, they are all getting out there completely transparent. So you guys have nothing to worry about when it comes to a platform as big as this. Huge shout out to Kingswap, man. They've got CoinGecko right at the top of the screen. As you guys can see, their price is being tracked. They're all over the place and everyone is talking about this next level of swapping. Huge shout out to Kingswap. I cannot wait to see what's going to happen with this platform next. If you guys love the Chemist channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, leave a like down below and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the platform and talk to you guys on the next one. Chemist out.